Hey everybody, if you had seen the last video I was tagged in on Facebook, I was given this very cool viewflex vf-h2, which comes with the awesome, really cool grip, and then the smartphone attachment, which also has spots where you can put the light, and just really good quality. It's hard to show it in action since it's my way of actually viewing everything, but I'm really excited about it. They have attachments. You can get different things for like your microphones or for your different lights they have there. So very excited to get this thing. I have this other thing that I got from probably a friend of mine gave this one to me as well. Victor and Kaylin's Life. You need to go check out the link. I'll leave the description below. And definitely need to go check out his channel. So very appreciative of it. So what I'm going to be doing is be showing how I build this awesome toy box, and I'll be using this now as my mount. So very excited. I just want to thank Kaylin's Life and also viewflex for giving Kaylin's Life an opportunity to give this away as a prize. Or thank you very much.